and welcome to another Speak Excellent English introduction of a homonym. Today, I'll talk about the difference between bear, B-E-A-R, and bear, B-A-R-E. These are two homophones that are often confused. First off, bear, B-E-A-R, refers to an animal. For example, a polar bear. On the other hand, B-A-R-E means uncovered or naked. For instance, bare feet or bare skin. To sum up, remember, bare refers to an animal and bare means uncovered or revealing something hidden. Your goal is to determine which one to use when. Mixing these up can lead to confusion. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful in understanding the difference between bear, B-E-A-R, the animal, and B-A-R-E, bear, the bare skin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.